This is the third part in the Dialog configuration series, and here we're going to just use a standard Ittrium Web Link to link to our target content. So in the first two videos we linked a link on the page that was embedded in HTML, and then we linked a picture to this content. And then with Ittrium you can also create a regular content element called a web link. And a web link is just a very simple way to configure a link to something else that's either on your site or elsewhere on the internet. So in this case I'm going to give my web link a title, so web link to target is what I'm going to call it. The URL is going to be the same URL I've used all along, #target, and then the style I need to set is called AutoZoom. And so I make those changes and I save it. Now what's going to happen on my site by default, that web link is going to show up in the navigation because that's the way I have my site configured, and this will do nothing at this point because the system is not currently configured to display dialog boxes from navigation elements. But I can take that web link and I can move it into the page by simply moving it into an inner page. So I'm going to select my web link from the Contents tab. I'm going to select a new type of content called an inner page, and then I'm going to move that into the inner page. So it's going to create a new inner page here with my web link inside. And when I do that, that will display my web link in the body of the page. So now I can see I've got my inner page here. If I go look inside my inner page, I'll see that I still have my original web link here. And now when I save this, I have a new link on the page. And when I click on this, I'll have my content. There you go. That's it for setting up a web link that points to dialog content on your page. Simple and easy.